How to put bullet points side by side in words. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to put bullet points side by side in Microsoft Word using a simple method. But before moving towards the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit a bell icon to never miss an update. Now let's move on towards the video. First, we need to insert a table. Go to the Insert tab and click on Table. Then select a two-column table. This will help us organize our bullet points horizontally. Now, enter your data into the two columns of the table. You can type in your bullet points or any information you want to display side by side. Next, highlight all the data you just entered. Go to the Home tab and click on the bullet points icon or choose a numbered list if you prefer. Finally, click on the outline of the table, go to the borders and shading, then select None to remove the table's outline. And there you have it, your bullet points are now side by side. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.